And today we're going to be drawing a cute Arctic fox. So let's start by drawing the ear. The ear's going to go up and around, and then from that point we're going to make a curve that goes across and down. We're going to make another ear like that, and then from that point we're going to go in like this, and then we're going to make a big curve around, keep going, and then stop. And then from this ear we're going to make a curve that goes here. Now we're going to make a line that goes from the middle of the face around and up, and then from this point we're going to go down, around, and up again, and then we're going to draw a big eye. It's going to go from here around like this, and then the other side is going to have a circle about the same size as this one, and then you can make it all black if you want to, or you can make a circle in the eye, color it all in, it's up to you. Now let's make the nose. The nose is going to be a circle that goes around, and then we color it in. Let's draw a tongue. It's going to be a line that goes like this, and then one line in between. Let's draw the tail. The tail is going to start about here and then go around and over, and then we're going to go in from that point, over, in, and then we're going to touch the other line. Cute. Now we can leave it like this, or you can create a background or put them in the snow. Let's put them inside the snow. I'm just going to draw a line over and over, and then same thing on the other side, a line over and then over again. We can create trees in the background. I'm going to create a couple of trees here. Let's start by drawing a big line over, and then bring it in, a line out, bring it in a little, a line out, and then bring it in. From the top of the tree, it's going to be a line out like this, and then there's going to be a tree poking in from behind this one, or in front of. So let's start by cutting through like this, and then from this point we're going to go out and in, and then we'll go out again, in, one more time, out, in, make little leaves, and then we'll draw a line down. There we go. I kind of want to make this line go out just a little bit more. It's up to you. It's your tree. I'm going to make some more leaves or branches in between just to make it more full looking, like that. And you can add more to your other tree. It's up to you. Some more branches. There. Now let's color it in. I hope you enjoyed this drawing. Please subscribe for new drawings, and I will see you next time. Bye.